So hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about different stuffs related to anime and manga. So in today's video, we will be talking about a certain anime which I consider to be a mix-up of Naruto and Bleach. Watch this video to the end where I will discuss about the characters, the power system and the reason why is it going to be a big hit. This October, many animes are going to debut, but the one that attracted my attention the most is the anime named Jujutsu Kaisen. The reason why I love this anime is its plot and the characters. The story of Jujutsu Kaisen is set in a world where cursed spirits feed on negative energy of humans and fragments of a legendary demon. The legendary demon I am talking about is named Ryomen Sukuna. Should any curse consume Sukuna's body parts, the power they gain could destroy the world. But as usual, if we have the bad guys, we also have the good guys, and this role is played by a mysterious school of Jujutsu shamans. Shamans are like sorcerers who exist to protect the precarious existence of the living from the supernatural cursed spirits by using ancient magic techniques. Jujutsu Kaisen is a manga written and illustrated by Akutami and is published in Weekly Shonen Jump. It falls in the genre of action, dark fantasy and supernatural. So now, if you're all clear about the plot, let's talk about our main cast. So like most of the shonen animes, we have a trio here with a sensei that is feared among all the cursed spirits. We have our protagonist Yuji Itadori, who is a smart and a cheerful boy. So the reason why I said in the starting that this show resembles Naruto a lot is because Itadori has the spirit of Ryomen Sukuna, the king of the curses and also the legendary demon I talked earlier, within him. Same as Naruto having the 9 tails. Yuji gains immense supernatural powers thanks to Ryomen Sukuna. The reason why Sukuna is in Yuji will be a spoiler, so you have to watch the anime to find it yourself. The other person in the trio is Megumi Fushiguro, who is a first year student in Tokyo Metropolitan Girls Technical College. Megumi is a tall, dark-haired boy with light green eyes. This guy has the ability to summon animals like wolves, owls, snakes and various others, also called Shikigamis from the shadows. Megumi is a smart and has a fair resolve to save the lives of hurted people. He doesn't use any weapons as he needs both his hands to control the Shikigamis he summoned. The girl in the trio is Kugisaki Nobara. Nobara is a short girl with orange eyes and orange hair. She is from a village and didn't like living in the countryside. And the reason why Nobara came to the magic school was that this was the only way to not have to worry about money. So I got a vibe of Ochako from My Hero Academia, who also wants to become a hero to earn money. Nobara uses straw doll curse technique and her weapons include a hammer and nails. The role of sensei is played by Satoru Gojo. Every anime has a character that everyone in the fandom loves, and Gojo is one of them. He is a teacher in the Jujutsu High School. He is one of the overpowered characters in this universe. He is an affectionate person for his students and friends. So that was all about the main characters of a story. Now the reason why I said this anime is going to be a big hit is because Jujutsu Kaisen is being animated by Studio Mappa. And if you have seen the trailer, you can already foresee the awesome fighting animation you can expect in this anime. Second, Jujutsu Kaisen already has a large fan base as almost 6.5 million copies of its manga are already in circulation this year. Now talking about the power source in Jujutsu Kaisen, it is similar to that of Naruto, but there are some amendments. In Jujutsu Kaisen universe, everyone is born with Chichushiki, a form of energy much like that of chakra in Naruto universe. It is stated in the manga that there are as many curse techniques as there are number of shamans. Many curse techniques are unique to a sorcerer, but a sorcerer can learn other curse techniques and even inherit it from its clan, while some techniques are totally unique, for example Byakugan from Hyuga clan. The curse techniques can be anything ranging from summoning animals to even distort the space-time fabric, just like we see Bankais in Bleach. Well, overall Jujutsu Kaisen is what I think will be a big hit, but we are yet to see how its story unfolds in the future, and the character development will also play a major part in the success of this show. Also, what I would love to see is the backstory of these characters, and I'm sure you will also love this anime. It will be on Crunchyroll from this October. So this is all from my side. Thanks for watching this video to the end. I hope you loved my content. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.